Well, hello. Whoa. Sorry about that. Had to attend to some other matters right when I was about to start. But hey, I'm here. Pew. And where am I? Other screen. Pew. Hey, Duck Dude. Welcome, my friend. Let's see if I can refresh the goal here. Properties. Oh, it's locked. You. Nope, wrong one. Countdown. That's what I need to do. Yeah, well, I hope I helped. A little bit. I tried. It's so hard. I don't know the, the framework. And, like, I knew exactly what to do if it was, in vanilla JavaScript, but, yeah, I was having a hard time. So, my bad. We have a new thing. Oops. Wrong one. Right. And let's go. Oh, the width is not good anymore. What happened? I should have tested this out beforehand. Oh, did you? You solved it? Ah, nice, man. Good. I am happy about that. Because, yeah, it seems like you're pretty close. You know what? This isn't looking too good. I gotta fix this. Let's see. Let's do margin bottom 0. Let's see how that looks now. One more movement bug. Nice. Then, my friend, you will definitely get there. Shoot. How you do this? Oh, refresh. Refresh. And then I need to change the filter crop. Let's crop it to the right and crop it to the left. Yeah, I figured out how to make these little animated, or whatever, not animated, but dynamic OBS screen things. Because this is just being hosted on my own website, which makes it easy. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's put this inside. Let's do the group background black. Let's do background clear. And then let's make this, this text white. Let's try that. And then properties, let's refresh. Refresh. There we go. That's better. Oh, I gotta fix the crop. Let's go right more. Let's go left less. And top. Oh. Okay. That's pretty presentable-ish. There we go. Hey, Dev Sutter. Hello, friend. Are making a game based on WordPress? I'm making a game based off of my book series, Orbem, but it is in WordPress. So yeah, if that's what you meant, yes, the game is in WordPress. This game right here. You solved a few minutes after. I only have one more movement bug. Couldn't sleep after you went offline for the night last night. I found a female programming streamer, which was surprising. Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a handful of game devs that are ladies on Twitch. There are guys with female PFPs. Oh, that's true. VTubers. But you've never seen an actual girl? Nah, you can find them. They're out there. I've seen a few, and she was making some crazy, like, 3D based modeling maps. She was making a bunch of like walls and stuff like that for her game. I've seen a handful, though. It just, I don't know. Sometimes it just doesn't do it for me. I need some stinky dudes, you know, just sweating it up in their room. But yeah, Devs Suthar. Am I saying your name right, Dev Suthar, over on YouTube? This is WordPress, my friend, at its finest. Have you never seen WordPress like this? Yeah, you're up till 2 a.m. last night on Twitch and YouTube. Jeez. Well, that's kind of the time I stopped streaming. 2 a.m. my time, so I think it's only fitting. Alright. Hello. Let's go Discord. Beep, 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 beep. So, what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, well, in case you're wondering why there's a new giveaway winner game doodle thing. The giveaway's over. The 100 hours have passed since I posted the video. And the 100 subscribers giveaway winner is Game Doodle. Yay! Woohoo! I think there's like an automatic emoticon thing. I forget how to do it though. I know how to do thumbs up, but I don't know how to do anything else. How do you make balloons happen? Woo! Is that how you do it? 2 hands? No? Alright, I don't know how to do it. 2 thumbs up? Yeah, whoa, there you go. We got it. Great. Now we know how to make fireworks. I don't even know where that's coming from. Maybe my camera? I don't even... OBS just has it built in. Alright. Go Game Doodle. Obviously, the fact that there's only one winner means that there was only one entry. So, you know, I didn't expect much. I only have, 100 subscribers on YouTube. So, you know, people don't like free stuff. And that's cool. So, you know, hey, Game Doodle gets all the glory. Let's actually make this a little smaller. Yeah, no problem, Dak Dude. I appreciate you jumping on, man, and you know, keep up the good work. The game looks interesting. You like dodge things. You change your material content, and then you can break through walls depending on the content that you are, or whatever it is, the texture, or you know, the material you change into. I think that's really cool. So I look forward to seeing some progress on that. That'll be a fun one. Ah, this is bugging me. Let's try that. I have to change it. I didn't have a chance to like test this out before stream, so I have to do it live. Let's try this again. I think this is fine. You can chat for a few more minutes. Alright, cool. We'll hang out and watch me fix this stupid Game Doodle thing. I think if we refresh it, hold on. See what we're working with here. Game Doodle. Try again. Try again. Try again. Did it work? Okay, I think it did. I just need to kinda change the cropping on the top now. No? Oh, I think I need to make it taller. Shoot. Properties. Let's make the height, I don't know, that big. That big. And then we'll do filter crop. Bottom. Definitely need to crop the bottom. Yeah, right. Whatever. You know what? This is very temporary. I need to stop messing with this. Especially because you can only see it on Twitch and YouTube. Alright. Anyways. Yeah. Welcome, everybody. It appears that we had... Why is it showing related videos? I want to see the viewer count. Let's refresh. It shows... Go away. Why is it showing related videos under my live stream? That's so weird. Participants. Oh, okay. Well, I guess Dev Suthar could not wait to get his answer. And that is fine. Yeah. So, definitely got a late start. Probably have a late finish. I got my fence finished. Yeah, I've talked about it. I have 12 acres here in Michigan. And it's a lot of land and a lot of fencing. So we got the front half where the gate is to the driveway. It's mostly for the dogs. But it's nice aluminum, like kind of wrought iron looking fencing. Just 4 feet tall. And they finished it today. So feel much safer with the dogs. Before they were just running through the neighbors' yards. I mean, they didn't complain because we all have a lot of land around here. So, but it's just running through the pine trees, tick season sometimes, and chasing deer everywhere. It's just getting unruly. So the fence is making a big impact. We still have the back half of the property, but it's mostly stream, pond, and trees. So it kind of has like a natural barrier. So I'm not rushing too much. The Black Lab still wants to run through that shit though, so I would like to get it blocked off as well. But with that, we need to get, you know, like an intercom system, automated fence opening, gate opener. Yeah, because right now it's just kind of like a manual open and close gate for the driveway. And there's no intercom system in place right now, so we'll have to huff it down the driveway to get our packages. But yeah, that's what happened today. How's this going? Unstable. I love how Twitch does not like a high bitrate. Even though it's better quality, it's like, it's worse, I guess. You know, it's more unstable. So you can drop frames or whatever. But, I mean, I got my 60 FPS. I'm really glad I figured out... Hey, a suggestion box. What the hell? I'm really glad I figured out the whole having a... Oh, good. These are all good. Having a better computer makes a better stream. Because, honestly, it was horrible. I mean, you can watch all my old streams. It'll just start... I just start roboting out. And even with fucking major gigabyte fiber optic internet, that was only part of it. That actually allowed me to stream, you know, simulcast between YouTube and Twitch. Because before I could barely stream on Twitch. I was using Starlink. Because I signed up for Starlink like a year ago. Not a year ago from now, but like a year before I got it. It wasn't available in my area. So I did the whole deposit and, you know, hey, when it's in your area, it'll come. And then yeah, I was just using random shitty internet from Frontier. And then as soon as Starlink came, it was pretty much the same as Frontier, speed-wise. You know, for a full house, it's a big house, a lot of computers, a lot of TVs, Kindles, all that stuff. All right, cool, man. Yeah, hopefully I see you in half an hour. Yeah, no stress, man. Appreciate you jumping on. I'll get to some game deving when you get back. I'll just rant until then. But yeah, so after I got the Starlink, yeah, like I said, it's pretty much similar. The only problem I had was when it snowed really bad. The satellite, it was on the roof to get like a really clear access point. It completely like lost internet once it got really heavy. It has built-in heaters on the satellite panel that can handle like some snow, but once it was coming down hard, I had to actually like every now and then I'd have to go on the ladder and like knock the snow off the satellite in order for the internet to come back. So that was weird. Starlink was it worked. It was kind of cool. I liked that it worked just from a satellite. I felt very mobile, you know? Like that I could just travel around my entire property and be able to have internet. And you know, you can do mobile plans with them where you can travel anywhere, right? And it's like attached to your RV or something, which is what it's mainly used for. And that freedom just kind of seems cool, you know? So I don't know. I still have my satellite on the roof. I could always turn the account back on in like a pinch. If we go like a week without fiber or something like that, I could probably turn it back on. Though I think their turn on system takes a few weeks, they say. So I don't know, might not be worth it. But yeah, I'm very happy that they started offering fiber optic in my area, because that changed the game. Allowed me to stream more properly, and really kind of showed me how bad my computer was. You know, I had a 2018 MacBook Pro, and it was still using the Core i7, which is good. I mean, better than some shitty Lenovo or like a really, you know, low-powered laptop, PC laptop. But what ended up, you know, every time I'd have a stream saved to the computer or whatever, and then I had like one program open, like the CPU would overheat, and it would just completely shut down. You're so happy to be back in California? What? Jason, you back in California, man? I don't know who you are. Should I know who you are? I'll be honest, I miss California for the food. There's not a lot of things I miss about California. You know, I lived there for 30 some odd years, and that's where I grew up. But I really miss the food options, dude. You have no idea. I mean, they tried to do Mexican food here, and it's just, you just get sad. So I've gotten really good at marinating my own carne asada, and you know, people always freak out when they come around. They're like, "Whoa, what is this?" Like, dude, it's just normal shit, you know. Food and internet speed. Well, no, man, I got Xfinity gigabit internet. You know, I mean, let's check. Internet speed, internet speed check. Check it out. Let's see what we got going on here. If you do it right and you have the access, you can see what I'm working with here. Yeah, come on, man. You're not getting anything better than that, you know, in California. I don't know. Maybe even 100 more, 800, 900, I don't know. But, so, now my speed's fine. It was not so much before. Yeah, but the access to high-speed internet was obviously a lot easier. But I mean, if I'm in a more rural area, but I'm like right next to Ann Arbor. So I have, you know, really quick access to things. I'm 10 minutes away from the downtown city. You know, I'm 10 minutes away from MU, you know. So I'm like, I got that perfect amount of space mixed with the city being close enough to where, you know, like if I have to go to Target's, you know, 14-minute drive, not that bad. It's kind of the same. You know, LA, everything's driving. Everywhere's far. Everything's so spread out. So, you know, unless you're in a downtown, I mean, I was in Burbank, so I was right next to a mall, right next to the Empire Center, which has, you know, a Target, Walmart, and all of everything you want. But, you know, I could have, if you're in, you know, Valencia or something, like there's still a lot of driving you have to do to get to anywhere fun or special other than Magic Mountain. Game Doodle, are you looking at the screen right now? Are you super excited? Oh, I didn't add a space in your name. Hold on. I messed that up. I was trying to set this up and make you feel super excited, and then I messed up your name. There we go. Game Doodle. You did it, man. You won. Previously, West Virginia. Santa Barbara. I like Santa Barbara. Heck yeah. You will be receiving... Actually, you better email me. I don't think I have any way of contacting you. Heck yeah, man. Email that from your email, and I'll get your info so I can send you the books and your choice of merch. 'Cause you're the big bad winner, man. I like it. Couldn't have gone to a better person. Yeah, Santa Barbara's great. I really like it. Every time I went, I did a tour down there and played some shows at some dive bars, and then we slept on the beach. Because I guess you could just do that. I don't know, maybe we couldn't do it legally, but we found a nice, sweet spots down the cliffs and just nice private beach area. Hell of a hoofing walk, but yeah, we just fell asleep on the beach with, you know, a couple 30 packs, and woke up with the tide a little higher than I would have been comfortable with. Luckily, nobody got wet, but we were pretty close to swimming. And but Santa Barbara's, yeah. I mean, that's what did you go to university there? Because then I know you're a party boy. Because that's a party college, man. And yeah, so it's like young, hip, party, university people, and then super duper old people, because, you know, Santa Barbara is full of old people too. And I mean, not too far off from, I mean, we have MU here. It's a lot of young people. I guess there's a lot of old people too. I guess that's a college town in general, right? Yeah, you went to UCSB? Oh no, you didn't go. You're just saying it's nice. Okay. Or did you go? I don't know. Maybe you don't want people to know. That's fine. Yeah. You did go. Jason's the partier. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I need you to come back. I need partiers on the stream. Makes my night better. But yeah, in case anybody's watching and new, I'm Scott V. Adrian. I am the author of the sci-fi novel series Homonian Chronicles. This is book 2. It is out now and available for purchase on Amazon. There's an audiobook being recorded right now, but it's not done yet. So just paperback and ebook. Kindle Unlimited too if you have an account. Book 1's been out since January. This does have an audiobook. And so if you like listening to your books. And I'm building a WordPress game engine so that I can build a game based off of the book series, which is what you see here. This is, one of the main characters, Iona, and this is the other main character who you play as in the RPG. And, yeah, man, just grinding away, trying to make WordPress be able to create an RPG game. And right now, I'm just running through what I've already done so that I can make sure everything works. So set up your lab. Oh yeah, that's one of the bugs. Right now, if you go to a new area, this does not show up correctly. Or at least it doesn't trigger. So I'm guessing that the walking logic is not being set up properly. So let's actually restart that. And I want to look at the HTML before I run over it. In fact, I think I already saw that the trigger wasn't here. No, let's double check though. All right, Alex Martinez. He always jumps on. He tells me he's back, and then he just goes away. Hang out, man. We've got a good crowd here. But yeah, I'm just trying to verify a bug with the client side portion of the mission complete trigger. Because right now, it works if you refresh the page server side wise, which is why I think the HTML just isn't being created. But we will see. And yeah, I'll re-announce it, but Game Doodle, big winner of the 100 subscribers giveaway contest, which I also need to take off of the homepage. Let's do that real quick. You can see WordPress Dev at the same time as WordPress Dev. Alright, you're done. You had your chance. Everybody, let's take it down on the registration page as well. You're seeing some real behind the scenes WordPress junk. Yep, this is gone. You're gone. And, I guess I could probably, I guess I could just throw this guy up here. Let's see. Let's throw you in this column. Oh, you don't have any columns. Give me another column. And then you go in there. And I'm guessing that's just not going to work. Let's just do this then instead. We'll just put the image in there. That's fine. Let's see. That's good enough. Yeah, and the image is on the other side. Cool. We good. Yep, so now the home page is back to normal. Sweepstakes gone. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah. So... Alright, Jason. Thanks for jumping on, man. Yeah, hope I see you again. Where is... I don't like this setup. Live chat. All messages. Okay. Cool. That'll have to do. Alright. So... let's figure out this bug. Come on, come on. Let's go to Thyrus. So being on WordPress, this could be multiplayer-ish. Yeah, being on a website. I think I thought about that. Yeah, I guess it would depend how fast I could relay positioning and stuff like that from the database, you know what I mean? I'd probably have to set up like a Redis, external like Redis key value system to get the positioning and stuff like that, so I can do real-time data. Which you could do, it's a website. I could set that up. Because I want to be able to like ping the MySQL database over and over. Yeah, exactly. And but I mean Redis is really set up for gaming if you do it right. So yeah, you could definitely do it. That'd be interesting. Yeah, well, maybe an online game. I mean, right now it's pretty story based because it's based off the story, but you know, you can make a separate multiplayer online community system where they can build their own homes in Orbem and you know, talk and shit. Fight with Pokemon. Make some Pokemon ripoff. Call it something else, like Orbem World. Is Pal World still doing stuff? Speaking of Pokemon ripoffs, I haven't heard anything about them in a while. So I guess most of my news was coming from other streamers, and I don't really have time to watch streamers anymore. Okay, so I need to check if the trigger is there in my office. So I'm looking for a mission complete trigger. Mission trigger. This would be much easier if I remembered my own names. Let's jump over here and see if I can catch it. You always thought it'd be neat if real people appeared as NPCs in the world. So as they are running around questing, it just looks like tiny people in the world, or more tiny people. Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I always thought that would be cool too. Like, you sign into the game and you get to choose, like, what? Are you a shop owner? You know, what is your base, right? Shop owner, blacksmith, you know, because it'd be really cool if the game was a community of games. You have a you know, like a Burger Time style game where you run a restaurant, diner, a pub, a bar, and you have a blacksmithing game where you're doing blacksmithing things, and then you have whatever. You got the horse stables where you're cleaning horses and shit. You know, little mini games, but like have these games that you play, and in reality, you're just part of a big MMORPG universe where you're, you know, doing things for NPCs, but like real people can walk in and buy stuff from your shop, and you have to go and collect the money, you know. And it could help, I don't know. It could be like jobs, right? Game jobs. Where you play that to collect money or whatever for the MMORPG. Yeah, trick people into being the NPCs. Be a lot of shit talking though. A lot of shit talking. Oh, I can imagine the racism. You know, like, no elves in my shop. Or, you know, people that have it out. Sort of like how EverQuest has the market system logged out. I mean, that's been a long time. That's true. Yeah, I didn't really get into EverQuest. Dude, I remember seeing, like, in the movie theaters, I think it was the first time I saw like an EverQuest trailer. I haven't been in the movie theaters in so long. It'd be rough building a live community though. Yeah. Could you imagine if nobody logged in and there's no shops are open? Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. It would have to be default MMORPG, massive world, shops are run by NPCs. But as soon as somebody logs on, they take over for them, right? So it's always running. And there's always like a way of doing what you need to, buying potions and all that kind of stuff. But they, you know, as soon as somebody logs in, it's like, hey, it's my shift. You know, they take over for the shop or for the restaurant or for whatever. It'd just be really interesting. You just kind of limit the way they can interact with people. Sounds like a lot of infrastructure though. What'd I do? Cutscene trigger, no. Let's look up trigger. Data trigger, you know, map item. Nope, that's path trigger, that's cutscene trigger, path trigger, cutscene trigger. Okay. Well, we solved the case. The HTML is not there. No, man. I love the conversations. Honestly, every time I make a short, you know what I mean, for my YouTube channel, it gets harder and harder when I go through my streams and nobody's on it and I can't talk to anybody because I don't want to take shorts of me doing this and like bug fixing. Sometimes something funny happens in the game, it's fine, but yeah, the more conversations I have throughout my stream, the easier it is for me to get content, that's for sure. And interesting conversations about tech and stuff like that seem to do really well. So it seems like I'm gonna have to create an Orbem universe freaking major online game now. Choose the north or the south. Which one will you choose? Okay, so that means I just need to check the Orbem area function. Area. Let's just go to the rest routes. And I need Orbem area. There we go. I knew it was get. Or just convert WordPress to it. I could do it, man. If anybody could do it, I could do it. I could make a WordPress site run an MMORPG for sure. You were a tiny green alien guy the other day? Walking around? Nice. Oh, in the Orbem game. That's actually a girl. Yeah, it's Siona Blazerine. She's an Orbem historian, and she works at Orbem Academy. You'll read all about her. Yeah. Yeah, in the original production game, I have just four characters? Coriander, Coromir, Graham, and Siona. And yeah. You gotta read the book, man. Well, they should come pretty quickly after you send me your contact info. Cause the first book I bought came in like a few days. Unfortunately, the second one I bought it's like I'm supposed to come tomorrow. Not tomorrow, like Saturday. So, and that took like a week, but I think it'll make it in a good time. Especially Orbem. I think they probably have that one down. And honestly, if you prefer ebook, I don't mind gifting you the ebook. I just figured, it'd be cooler sending both of the paperbacks, Okay, so I need the missions. Where are the missions coming from? They're coming from here. Which is coming from where? Oh, right here. So yeah, these should be... Oh, that's the missions. But where's the mission triggers? I think those are coming from a different area. Yeah, this is just the mission list. Mission triggers should be coming from here. Ooh. From map item. Right down here. Right here. That's cutscene trigger. Where's mission trigger? No, that's cutscene. Okay. That's a drag destination. Path trigger. Draggable destination. Enemy specific. Here we go. No, that's just in general. God damn it. Mission trigger. Here we go. So what is this coming from? From here. Right here. It's getting all the missions. Giving all the mission triggers. So why the nut is this not outputting properly? Wait, where am I doing the HTML for this? I think I'm doing it down here. Right. Right here. Outputting HTML. So if it works server side, why is this not working client side? Oh. I think I know why. I think it has to do with the Orbem. Right here. See, I'm not outputting it. Well, no, I am outputting mission. I'm outputting all the HTML. Right, so this should be coming... Let's actually check the network logs. Wait, what? What'd I get? Or the console. What? A promise was not promised. Okay, hold on. I need to see why the output of new area didn't work. Area. So this is CEO office. This is Thyrus. All right. Let's check the response. Preview. Yes, show me. Oh, this is not readable. Somebody quick, tell me how to make this readable without going to a website. Online JSON decoder. Too late. You already made me go to a website. I need it to be better. This is still not readable for human eyes. Format. I mean, I know I'm busting out by entry into the research grid. Okay, so this is a sign. Where's my trigger? Mission trigger. It's not here. Okay. So wait. It is supposed to be here though, right? Right. Mission triggers at the top. Yeah. Mission. Yeah, mission trigger. Interesting. So my guess is there's something going on with the query client side that is causing this shit to not work. Or at least maybe this shit. Is the mission ID not coming out or something? Why would this not output properly? I guess I need to kind of just check it out. Yeah, because mission item, mission item, meet on the line, that's the mission item. Yep, all the moves into place. Yeah, it's just missing the trigger though. Why? Why do you miss? Why do I miss the trigger? Yeah, I'm not seeing any major... okay. Why are these coming in at HTTP? That's kind of weird. Oh, maybe I hard-coded it, that's why. Okay. Well, we're gonna need to log this out because I don't know what's happening. Orbem. Mission trigger HTML. And exit. So, oh, that's not gonna go well. We'll just do that. We'll do Orbem. Mission trigger. Orbem. Mission trigger end. And we'll check it out. I know I have a mission trigger somewhere on local. Let's double check. Mission trigger. I do. It's right, cha. Right, cha. So let's leave, come back to this area, and see what the nut is happening. Well, first let's refresh. Let's double check we have mission trigger. We do. Alright, let's leave and come back. And let's get the network open. See what's going on. I really have to figure this out. Oh, something's happening. I messed something up. Okay, I already broke it by doing this. Okay. That's not helping me then. I guess we'll have to add it to the actual HTML to see what the hell's going on. So first, let's do HTML equals, we'll add to string, wait, JSON encode, and we'll put this. I guess we can just cast it as string. Let's just do that. Yeah, okay. And let's try again. Boop. Boop. Oh god. Oh god. No. No. I don't know what's wrong with the bad guys in this game, but they are crazy. Hey, Beto! You know, Beto, a lot's new. Right now, I'm kind of trying to hide from this guy. Let's see if I can punch him to death before he hurts me. Go, go. Get out of here. You son of a bitch. Let's see if I can hit him from the side before he dies. Die. Die, die. Die, 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 die. You're gonna kill me if I die. Okay, good. Jesus. Oh my god. I'm getting so many errors. No. It's gonna crash. Wait, did it stop? No, it didn't stop. Run! Okay, well he's dead. I'm still getting errors. I'm trying to test a bug. Oh my god. Now he's gonna start killing me. Hold on. Nope, stop. I just want to see the damn output of this. Okay, new area, foresight. Preview. Oh god, I don't even know how to see this. Now that I think about it. It's just gonna be a random false or true. Blech. Let's do like this. No, let's do something I can search. Search this term. Right. Now I'm gonna have to go do that again. No, no. The enemies I finished a long time ago, honestly. I broke them though with all my new like NPC movement logic and stuff. But yeah, I had to shooter enemies and runner enemies a long time ago. What I'm working on now is actually figuring out, there's a bug with the mission complete trigger. Because I got my dragging missions working. So here, I'll show you. So now, so that only works if I refresh the page. I need the HTML to show up. Client side. So now you see I have 3 missions. It's move computer into place, cabinet into place, desk into place. So these are 3 drag and drop missions to organize my office. So I'll start with you. And there's one. I also made the missions go away when they're complete, because it was kind of just getting in the way when they were just sticking around for no reason. And then we'll add the desk. Yeah, right. And now let's move the computer. And now what you'll see is I also created the ability to trigger new missions after a few different missions are all done. So now that this 3rd item is done, you'll see meet Iona at Bailon. So that's what we've been working on. This is just like another mission to show you, like a tutorial, how to interact with the world. And then the next one is going to be cutscenes. So I'm going to be working on full... yeah, it worked pretty well. It took a lot of fucking bug fixing, but I finally got it to work pretty well. Yeah, I just have a few things. One is there is a bug where one of the things only works server side, which is this mission complete trigger, and another thing only works client side, which is making missions, making a mission. I don't remember. It's only working client side and not saving. I don't remember what it was. I could probably look back at the old stream to figure it out. But I'm fixing this one right now. And yeah, I even got draggable items. They save their position now. So like if I refresh, those won't revert. They'll stay where they were. And like, same thing, I can always like move it here and drop it. And then if I leave and come back, you know, it'll still be in that same position because I have an override positioning logic now that uses the saved position of dragged items. So yeah, complicated. It works. The only thing I need to figure out is why the hell this mission trigger crap isn't showing up. So it looks like I'm kind of screwed. I can't log this locally. I guess I could. I just kind of have to get rid of the enemies. Maybe I'll just do that. Yeah, each item is an explore point. So that's here. So you see I have my desk, cabinet, computer. Yeah, and I'm saving. No, I'm not saving it in the post meta because this is for everybody. And I actually thought I was going to do that originally, but I'm like, oh wait, no. If I update their position in the post level, then anybody who plays the game, it's going to be in that new position, right? And that'd be kind of screwy. No, it saves to a database entry here, which is a user. Which one is it? Oh, that's weird. Not explore enemies. It's explore drag items, which are not showing up. Oh, this is local. Duh. Yeah. Yeah, it's the user meta. So like, it saves your specific game stuff. I use the user meta for that. So, you know, like what position you're in right now, like the coordinates are constantly being updated and sent to the user meta. And if you know, anytime you complete a mission, it gets saved to the user meta. Yeah. And that's why it requires you to log in order to play this game, because everything's, you know, about your game is saved in the user meta. Which, two birds with one stone, right? I get sign-ups, and you get to play and save your progress. And so far, I'm just saving auto progress. I'm auto-saving. What happened? Right. Yeah. But our main issue now, we have a couple bugs actually. I also need to do this. I need to fix my collision points because the fact that all these rectangles, like these guys here, any of them that are like touching and overlapping, it allows me to, like, I can stop if I go left or up, right? It's a collision point. But if I go diagonally, it doesn't know how to handle it. So I can just phase through the wall. Pro tip. Phasing through walls. Kind of like a little like pipeline, like I'm grinding on it. Let's go, bro. Woo, woo. So I need to rebuild the way I did it. Like, I don't know if I can change the coordinates in here. I guess you can't really. do that. Can you do that? No, that didn't do anything. I'm kind of just breaking it, I guess. Oh, what the hell's that? I definitely broke one. Yeah. Cheat codes. Go diagonal. So either I remove the ability to go diagonal, which, you know, it's just such a good flow. I don't want to do that. Up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A. You forgot start. Or is it select? I forget which one it is. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. I'm definitely going to make a cheat code to go into dev mode. Yeah, I should do it for sure. Up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A. You know, on your keyboard, hit B, A, and then it'll explode, give you a massive thumbs up, and be like, you won! Take you to the last level. Woo, it's like if you ever played the new Zelda game, Breath of the Wild. Go straight to Ganon. Oh yeah. Yeah, we should do that. That'd be better. Like, penalize them for cheating. Yeah, it goes, oh, you just unlocked extreme hard mode. And then like 6 elves come and start attacking you. Dude, all I'd have to do is unleash this guy here. And be like, turn on cheat mode, and then you just go straight to here, and the bad guy in here will just start attacking you. Oh, I already killed him. Thank God. Okay, so yeah, let's set up my local so I can test this, because I don't want to keep pushing the stage over and over. It just doesn't work for me. So we'll delete these dudes. You know what? I don't want to trash them. Let's just draft them for now. How do I draft you? WordPress makes pausing posts pretty easily. I mean, I could also just take them out of the area, but this is easier. Alright. So now no more bad guys. And why the hell, actually, now that I think about it, why is it console erroring me? So let's... Okay. Yeah, what's this console error going on here? Oh. Right. What? Oh, it's probably the crap I was trying to add. Did I not save? Thought I did. Alright, well, you should be good now. Unless I screwed some... Did I do something in here? No. Okay, this is already fixed. I don't need you anymore. Okay. Let's do this again. I don't know why it keeps starting me here. It's so weird. But now we don't have any bad guys in my way. I do have this guy in my way. How do I get rid of you? I forget. Oh yeah, I forgot. All my things went away. Okay, what the hell is this? This is reCAPTCHA API. I definitely don't need reCAPTCHA on my Orbem Explorer. I thought I already got rid of that though. Anyways. Okay, so I need to see the output of this call right here, which is foresight preview. So I need to figure out how to show. No, I need to read you response. Yeah, here we go. I need to find mission trigger. Yeah, see, it doesn't exist. I don't know why it doesn't exist though. That is the real question. So let's go back. Because this is the only one with mission triggers. Yeah, why are you still airing out? What am I getting? Invalid JSON. What did I do? I broke something. Top. What did I do? What did I do? Let's undo anything I did. I don't think I did anything. It's weird because it works going back. It works going back, but it doesn't work going this way. Because now I'm getting some weird shit. It doesn't like the output. Let's figure out what the output is. That would be helpful. Maybe this is why. Maybe it's doing the opposite. It's showing the mission triggers only. So we're outputting the output. Trying to use it here. It doesn't like it though. Where doesn't it like it? Parse? It's the first thing. The parsing. So it doesn't like the target response. Because why? Let's see why. Alright. Let's go back. Don't care about that. Cool. Hey, that's good. Next mission. It kinda looks like maybe the output's broken. What is this? This is path. Oh, this is the SVG for the map. Got it. Alright, so now let's see what the output's coming. Yeah, see, mission triggers just not showing up, even though I know they exist here. Do that? Okay. What is going on? So that looks fine. It's the beginning that's broke. Oh, look. Mission trigger. Why the hell is mission trigger showing your there? Look. Mission trigger is outputting. Oh, that's so weird. Okay. I think I see what's going on here. That's really weird. That is super weird. So mission triggers are being built here. And then I'm outputting them here. I'm just echoing them out like an idiot when I should be doing HTML. Oh my god. I don't know who I am. I'm just randomly echoing out HTML. What you doing, man? Alright. That should work. This should now be fixed. Bop. Stop. Bop-a-dop. Let's go back. Let's get out of here. Okay. Looks good. Now let's go back. This should work. Yep. That was it. So, is that mission trigger here now? Let's see if it worked. No. Randomly, the mission trigger is going to the wrong area. Unless I'm mistaken where I put the mission trigger. Yeah, because it seems like I put one right here. Which I don't remember doing that. Did I change the area? The maps are not final, right? No. No. I mean, I built the maps here in the stage site to be kind of final as far as the layout's concerned. All the art is going to be on top of it, but like the basic rooms for Thyrus and Foresight and the CEO office, those are pretty much final. As you know, without the art, but they're pretty much final. Oh, interesting. The blockade came back. I guess I like that. Okay. Let's push this up, because this should fix my mission bug now. And I can continue doing what I was doing. What was I doing? I don't know. I don't remember. Definitely need to figure out this whole music thing, though. It's a very annoying bug that I just don't take the time to fix, is that you can't save the mission setting, I mean the music volume setting as 0. It won't save. It needs at least 1, which doesn't work for me when I'm trying to mute it. So I can only mute it client side, but every time I refresh, then it resets. Yeah, okay. Let's push. Oh wait, did I get rid of that console log? Yes, I did. Alright, let's build. So my buddy Ryan, who is singing right now in the song behind me, he actually came on stream yesterday. It was cool having him hang out for a bit. Wait, no, he came 2 days ago. Yesterday Weaver came on. Just getting all the buddies. And yeah, he was trying to show me some like subreddits or something about WordPress. He thought I should post, you know, what I was doing here on. And I was like, maybe I can post, you know, some of the videos and just the basic idea, see if anybody's interested. Maybe get some more WordPress bros up here. Because I have a subreddit for Orbem, but, you know, nobody knows about it or does anything about it. Kind of similar to the Discord. It's pretty quiet most days. Not that I put a lot of time into it. Yeah, I should do it. Game Doodle's on. He thinks I should do it. By the way, Beto, I'm sorry you ran out of time. But Game Doodle was the big winner of the giveaway contest. So he's getting all the loot. Though I plan on doing a subscriber giveaway every time I hit some sort of milestone. So, you know, because why not? Celebrate with me is how I think. I'll probably do a giveaway when I hit 50 Twitch followers. Because then I can technically apply for affiliate. But you kind of have to have like 3 or 4 average users, and yeah, I'm kind of close on followers, but my average viewer rate based off of the amount of hours that I stream is like 0.5. It's not even like a whole person. It's like half a person. So you have to get like 3 or 4 people per stream, you know, for most of the stream, I guess. Really good when you were streaming games. Yeah, I know people like watching games a lot more. It's a lot more popular. I just like, I don't like playing games when I could be building one. So, yeah, tech's difficult. I mean, you have Pirate Software, right? He's the major game dev that's doing gangbusters on Twitch. But, you know, there's a lot of people trying to do similar stuff, and it's pretty boring, to be honest. I mean, I like watching some people, like Grumble of Pugs. That dude's game, he's got like this weird bat game. I thought that's fun to watch. And the Seashell Studio guy, who hasn't been on for a while, he was making a really sweet Godot 3D RPG, like Final Fantasy style fighting game. Yeah, it's more fun when you're learning something. I agree. Okay, so the bug should be fixed. So technically, I should be able to just jump over him. Boop. You just got transported. I should be able to trigger the mission now, if the code is actually pushed. Oh man. I definitely need a loading screen, by the way. Because this takes a long time sometimes. Unless it's just not working. Uh-oh. What did I do? Why can I not trigger this anymore? What happened? New area. CEO office. Yes. What did I break? Yeah, I need a toast. What the hell? What did I do? Is this not triggering anything? Why are you not going anywhere? Huh. That's weird. I didn't really touch anything other than this function to fix it. So why are you not able to go to new areas all of a sudden? Yeah, it doesn't matter if he gets triggered or not. What the hell, dude? No, it's no longer triggering. Huh. What did I do? Let's just refresh on the off chance it was like an in-between code deploy load or something. Definitely don't want to deal with another bug. It's already getting late. Come on. Go away. Let me through. Okay, it's working now. Yeah, weird. Must have just been a weird load. Huh. Alright. Thanks, Alex. I know you already left, but I appreciate you jumping on, man. I'm glad you were hanging. That dude's like a drive-by. He just like comes in. Hey, I'm here. Alright, so let's talk. So now we can get out of here. Let's trigger her. Oh, well, I guess I can check right now if it worked before going through all this. And it did not work. Gosh darn it. I did notice that the mission trigger seemed like it was going to the wrong place. So let me see. Hey, Duck Dude's back. Hell yeah. Say hi to Beto. Duck Dude is building a pretty cool little game in Game Maker Studio, I think. I was just watching a stream earlier today. What? Oh yeah, I wanted to check if that mission trigger was working. Yeah, because the mission trigger is for something here. And it's for 2 missions here. Yeah, because the mission is for Foresight, so the mission trigger should be in Foresight, but for some reason the trigger was showing up in the wrong area. Oh, you're using Godot? Oh. Sorry, I read half your message. You should start a game now. Yeah, you gotta start it, man. No, honestly, build your game in WordPress. Do it. It's so much fun. It's so easy. Tilde, you know. No, you gotta do it. You gotta compete with me. Build an RPG based off of Orbem. Even better. Who can finish it first? It's a race. That would be hilarious. I would welcome an Orbem video game creation contest. Yeah, see, this should not be here. This is supposed to be in there. So something's going on with the logic. This logic. Waiting for you to release all the WP game making tutorials. Perfect. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, wait till I do everything wrong. Take my theme and then just build a game using the admin. Doop, 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 doop. So much easier. Okay, so why the F? Missions for triggers. So what I'm doing is I'm getting all the missions for a given area. So my problem is, I believe that current location is wrong. It defaults to Foresight, but current location must be giving it Foresight. You know I will be hosting game jams in the future. Heck yeah, man. You can make the theme for one of them Orbem. Ooh. That'd be awesome, Dak, dude. Everyone be like, first off, what is Orbem? Wow. In our small circle, it seems very popular. People are very confused by my t-shirts when I'm walking around town, that's for sure. You be down with an Orbem game jam once you read the book? Yeah. Yeah. Step 1, everybody has to read the book or listen to the audio book so they get some context. I think it was yesterday I just got the 17-minute intro to Miropelia book 2. My shirts, I get them. I offer them on my website if you want to get them from there, but it's just takes you to Amazon. So yeah, it's all these. Yeah, so if you want to do branded clothing, I go to merch.amazon.com and just sign up there. I have heard some complaints from people about like the amount of money they take for royalties, but I mean, they just kind of cover their cost for the creation and distribution, and then you can charge whatever you want on top of that. So, you know. What is up? Michael M in the house. I'm showing off merch.amazon.com right now because Beto over on Twitch, he wants to make some branded merch for himself. Yeah, that's what I do. And it shows up. I mean, shit, you get your own brand. So like I have Orbem Order. And if it doesn't try to fix it. So you see we have this stuff. And it's available on Amazon. I mean, anybody can go there and find it, you know, if they know what they're looking for. Yeah. And Game Doodle, he's about to take a quick look at this page. and pick out what he wants. Because he gets anything, any one item from this list. 2-day free delivery. That's pretty quick for like an on-demand drop shipping creation. Oh, okay, some of them aren't 2-day. Some of them are though. I guess the easy stuff. I suggest Game Doodle the zip up. It maybe not this design, but dude, I love my Escape to Orbem zip up hoodie. This one right here. Though I have it in this. I have this exact one. I've worn it on stream. I also got a blue one with the black text. But you know, it's just super comfortable. And if you get a medium, you just kind of like feeling it. It's good. There's also pullover hoodies too and stuff like that. Anyways, I got distracted. Yeah. Highly suggest using their service. And you just submit your designs to them and choose what products you want to put it on, and they just post it. It's sick. Oh yeah, this is done. Goodbye, subscriber giveaway. 2018. V6 Angular. Oh, wow. Yo, you're buying book 2 right now, Michael? Shit. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, book 2 is, it's a great continuation of the story. I'm happy with it. I haven't really got a lot of feedback. Want to know a brain-breaking thought? Yes. Dak Dude, I would love to know a brain-breaking thought. That would be very enticing to me. So how do I get current location then? Because I'm setting current location when you go to a location. That must be the problem. So I'm getting the last location. But then how are missions working? Wait, where are missions coming from? They're coming from a separate area, that's why. How am I doing missions? You're more like an uncle than a cousin. Oh wait. You'll be in your 20s by the time your youngest cousin is your age now. Yeah, okay. So they're like 10 years younger than you? You're more like an uncle? 10 years? 10 years is pretty... It's a pretty big difference, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because my nephew is... Well, yeah, my nephew's 5 or 6 now. And you may end up with new youngest cousins too. Yeah, that's true. You know, they could be coming. I mean, if you have like a 4 or 5-year-old cousin, you might get another one. That's true. Game Doodle's correct. Orbem, The Moaning Chronicles, Book 1 will be auto-delivered wireless to the Kindle. You can go to your device to start reading. Oh, you got Book 1. Heck yeah. Awesome. Enjoy the journey, Michael. You won't be able to put it down. Yeah, but my sister's older than me too. And her kids are like half the age of my oldest kid. So, think about that. They called it a geriatric pregnancy. It's just so sad that they call it that. But that's what the doctors call it in the hospital. Even if you're just in your late 30s. So, you played WoW professionally for a year. Oh yeah. So you like, yeah. You're gonna see some good WoW stuff. And in book 2, you know, you get some more into goblins and trolls, and even more into it. You considered monetizing your Discord server to sell some stuff. Yeah, you could. If you got enough people on there, could do some good stuff. Where the hell did I... Oh, I put it here. So how am I getting missions? Current location. Where am I getting current location? Where the hell? Yeah, I'm getting from here. That doesn't make any sense. So how are missions and mission triggers getting different current locations? Oh. Wait, what? How am I getting missions? Missions. I'm confused. I just confused myself. How am I doing missions? Missions are coming server side. So how am I getting missions client side? Riddle me that. How am I getting missions client side? Yeah, you gotta make some books, some video games. Heck yeah, man. Once you got some products to sell, you'll be good to go. And that's the hardest part. Took me 4 years to write my first book. I mean, it could have taken a lot less if I was like trying to really get it out, but second book only took 7 months. If you hear background noise during my stream, that is the music. It's my parents talking over the TV. Yeah. I heard your dad, you know, making fun of you. I don't know, making fun of you, but he was responding to something you're saying. I figured it's your dad. You have siblings too, or just only child? Oh wait, you said you have a cousin, not a nephew. Yeah. Do you think it's lucrative to make programming web dev tutorials? No siblings? Oh, okay. So it's just your mom and dad talking. Lucrative? Depends on what you're doing. It has to be really niche. You know what I mean? Because it's only lucrative if, you know, people are looking for it. If it's the same old crap that you see over and over, then you better have an angle that makes it so like it's more worth watching your video than somebody else's video. And then it's all about marketing, you know, titles and stuff. If you taught people website accessibility, it's very important. I mean, let's see. If you just go to YouTube and you go to web accessibility tutorial, and let's see here, we'll do filters, upload date, then you'll see 116 views, 47 views, 3 views, 25 views. I mean, some of these have over 100 views. Let's see. Let's see when the most view count. These are obviously sponsored videos that stay on the top. So this is 1 million, and this was 4 years ago, 7 years ago, 1 year ago. Not finding a lot of recent ones, but you gotta show me a video to watch on stream. Okay. Do you have your own website? Talking to me? Dak dude? What do you think this website's built on? It's WordPress. That's the website. Yeah, I mean, I've shown it a million times on stream. If you were talking to me, this is my website, orbemortar.com. Yeah. I don't know, maybe you've never seen it, but yeah. This is mine, and this is where I have my shop. You know, this is where I have my author bio, my music. So this is like the Orbem Order, the band, and this is all distributed to Spotify and everywhere. You know, you can get this anywhere right now. These are all actually published. And then it's where, contact, news, I got a blog. And then this is where the game is. So this is the old game. And this is where the new game is going to be too. So that's why you can go here and sign up. How much does it cost you? If you're willing to answer, I want to know what to expect when buying a domain. Domains are cheap. I mean, if they're, unique. Can I check out 20/10? Would visit again. Yeah, maybe I'll check it out. But yeah, to answer your question, Dak Dude, it's not super expensive. I mean, if you go to GoDaddy right now, this is basically what I do. And I have a bunch of domain names, by the way. And if you just searched up something like dakdude.com, it'll give you a price. Yeah, look. It's a penny for the first year. Today you pay $43.99. Yeah, and these are all pretty cheap, it seems like. So yeah, it's not expensive. Yeah. But if you get a good one like storebloom.com. Oh wait, no, they have a, what is it? Domain estimate value. Here we go. Yeah, GoDaddy has this too, where you can check how much things are worth. Get value. You'll see this one's estimated about $1,600. Who sings this version of Poison? Me. Yeah, all the music you hear in the background's me. It's me singing, screaming. Some of the music has my buddy Ryan on it as well, but it's always me. These are all my songs. Yeah, but like this is my domain. I own this one. So they can get really expensive. And I mean, this is not that expensive compared to how much they can get. They can get the $1 million, Let's see how much Google's worth. Probably not that much. Oh, how dare you. They won't even try. Yeah. Well, it's by Cover Them All, actually. I don't use my Orbem order. Yeah, if you go to YouTube and you go to Cover Them All, or Cover Them All, you'll see Poison by Cover Them All. And that's actually Graham as my name. I wanted to have kind of like a faceless channel for my cover songs. But now I kind of don't care. I'll probably end up moving them over or something like that. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah, and the original's pretty good. I think mine's better. Some people like it. Some people do not like it. Oh god. I feel like there's... No, same amount. Yeah, my cover channel, it's got a handful of videos. Just these 3. But yeah, domain names are not expensive. Hosting costs more. You can find some free hosts though, and some reduced priced hosting, which makes it a lot more accessible. Probably give some sick motivation. Yeah. You highly suggest I watch it. Wait, what was it? It was 2010 something. 20/10. 20/10. Oh, would visit again. Would visit again? Is that what it was? Or did I... Did I get the name wrong? Oh, whoops. What the hell? Click the link. Oh, well, you're on my phone, actually. I don't, because you're on the phone version of my live stream. Just tell me what the... Oh, it's Microsoft? What's it called? Just give me the title, I'll search it. And you're guessing you need to actually code the website to put in a domain. No, I mean, there's a lot of website builders out there that you don't have to do a lot of coding. I mean, GoDaddy has a website builder. If they have like an AI website builder, you can just give it some prompts and it builds you a website. Bingo. Bakery. Headings, landmarks, and tabs. Here we go. We found it.
From brief to build. Discover dozens of AI tools on Wix Studio, the platform for agencies and enterprises.
Back to you.
Animation in the style of an 8-bit video game. Woman in room.
Hope has spent all day preparing a surprise party for her son's birthday.
Oh no! I forgot the cake! I'd better get online and find a bakery fast.
Hope rushes to her PC to search for a solution.
Bing, the search engine, responds.
I found a site that can help you out.
The Bingo Bakery website appears. Hope spawns at the top of the page.
Bingo Bakery.
The logo as a character with googly eyes descends.
Here we are.
See, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the characters on my website so you can run around the website.
And it looks like this site has very limited accessibility.
You can build with new WP Builder, actually. Yeah, that's true.
A pull cord swings down. Bing pulls
Yeah,
up the
WP,
Bingo Bakery.
you know,
Homepage.
WordPress also has their own website builder
Hope
as
falls and
well.
loses a life.
Oh, I see what you mean. Let me see what the developers can do about this.
A pop-up menu appears. The difficulty level changes from impossible
Wait.
to challenging.
Why
Hope
is
spawns again
it
at the top of the
dictating
page.
what's happening?
Bing descends.
Sorry about that. Here, take this developer power up.
A pop-up menu with an image of shoes and the code for tabbing appears.
Why is it giving me
Choose of
accessibility
tabbing will
crap?
allow you to move from tab to tab on the page. Good luck, and make haste.
Bing ascends out of frame. The shoes of tabbing flash onto Hope's feet. The lights go out again. All page tabs are visible.
Bingo Bakery. Homepage. 18 links.
Okay, I've got 18 links. I wonder how many I'll have to jump through.
He
to
dictates
get where
because
I need
that's
to
what
go.
screen readers
jumps
do.
to a link.
Oh, okay.
Services.
So it's on purpose.
Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. I need a ready-made cake.
A timer counts down.
Catering. Locations. Contact. Style. List with 3 options.
Hope climbs down the list.
Square.
I do appreciate the 8-bit. Yeah, this is
List with
definitely
3 options.
right up my game alley.
Spice.
This seems like a build-your-own cake section.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I like pixel art. It's very interesting. But I'm just not like great at making pixel art. It just takes like you have to really like shift over your Photoshop to work in pixel art, so everything is like structured. And I can do it. It worked really well when I was trying to build the other sides of my characters, but then like I wanted to do 10 other things in Photoshop and I had to completely convert it back. So I need to figure out how to like set the workspace so that I can switch it, which I know is possible, but yeah, so the only bug we have left that I'm still trying to figure out, you use a sprite for pixel art. Is that like a program? You both do? Oh, it's just like an online builder? How's it work? Okay, so it's just like a pixel builder. Cool. Is that, Beto, is that what you use to make my guy's side profile? Use this? Oh, cool. You can animate GIFs too. That's the one you used? Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, yeah. Looks like I might need to get this when I start legitimizing my art. Unless I just hire somebody. Oh, so you have like a mod off of A-Sprite? What is it? You said it was LibSprite? LibraSprite. Oh, they have a GitHub. Nice. That's pretty cool. So you can just kind of fork it. Nice. Just get it for free. Even better. I like free. Nice. It's forked off of A-Sprite. Hell yeah. Grab an app image for Linux or for Windows. I don't know. They don't offer Mac. God damn it. I'll have to find one that does. That's fine. Okay. Well, we still have an issue. That mission trigger is showing in the wrong place. So if I go here, mission trigger is nowhere. And it seems like the problem is the location, but it does appear that missions are working. So why the nut would mission triggers not work when they're using the same thing? So let's check here. I want to do of our dump of current location. Oh no, maybe I shouldn't do that. Oh no, I was trying to figure out where the hell missions are coming from when I go to new areas. Mission. Yeah, here we go. Mission list. New map items. Map missions. Wait, so I am getting map missions. When did I add that? Map missions. Map missions. Here we go. Where are you coming from, buddy? Oh, I'm doing the same shit. Okay. Okay. So, get Orbem area. Getting map missions. We're getting map items. But explore points are coming from here. But I don't think I'm using explore points. I'm using missions. For pixel art, isn't it mostly the tools you have for Illustrator, Photoshop? Do you like sketch a blueprint first? How's that work? Oh. Yeah. Linux might work for Mac? I don't think so. Linux is its own system. Yeah, I mean, I've only done cover them all. Yeah, correct. One word. It could also be cover them all, like a mall. I didn't realize that till I wrote it out. Yeah, it's one word though. Yeah, I usually just use Illustrator or Photoshop when I was making pixel art before, but it'd be way easier to use like a tool built for it. Like I said, I was having the issue of like switching back and forth because I use Photoshop for so much other stuff. So, yeah, the missions for triggers should be the same missions that are the missions that are here. So I think that it's a bit annoying that I'm looping through it Oh no, it's in the REST endpoint area. Where's the register? REST. And get Orbem area. So this is running that function, but it's also running this. And the missions here are getting different than the missions here for some reason. Or at least the current area is different. Which is weird, because it seems like I'm setting current location here, which is after. Yeah, which makes sense. I'm doing it after, of course. So maybe just, shit, I don't even know. This doesn't make any sense. So I go in here, current location. If it's empty, well, it's foresight by default. I know it's working server side because when I refresh, it works fine. But when I do it client side and I go to the new area, it's not getting the right area. Which means that the current location is not set properly. So it's like I need the previous location. Maybe I can pass it to the area, like current location, so I don't have to do this anymore. That would probably be better. Well, let's, for now, let's pass current location. No, I don't care about that. Alright. It seems like we're not going to fix this bug today. Dak, dude, I'm actually going to jump off, man. So, yeah. If you get back and I'm not on, that's why. So I'm just going to say goodbye now. Appreciate you jumping on, man. Always a pleasure, and I'll catch you in another stream soon. And, Beto. Always a pleasure as well. Come by as much as you want and hit me up on Discord. We'll fix this error tomorrow. Promise. Thanks, Michael. Glad you got to jump on, man. And appreciate your presence as well. And the big winner of today, Game Doodle. Wait, I want to do it again. Fireworks. Fireworks. Do it. How do I do fireworks again? Oh no, it's the 2 thumbs up. Fireworks, yeah. Great job, Game Doodle. You're the big winner, man. Appreciate you entering, and I'm excited for you to start your Orbem journey. So yeah. With that, yeah, you have a great weekend too, Beto. I will say goodbye. Thanks, everybody. See you on the next one. See you in the shorts.